The lifespan of a professionally refinished front door depends on several key factors, but when done correctly, refinishing typically lasts 5 to 10 years or more, often longer than the original factory finish. The biggest factor is prep work. Proper refinishing requires completely removing failed coatings, repairing damage, and sealing the door correctly. Shortcuts in prep are the number one reason refinishing fails early. Finish quality matters just as much. Professional-grade exterior coatings are designed to flex with temperature changes, resist UV breakdown, and repel moisture. These materials outperform standard paints and DIY products by a wide margin, especially in harsh climates. Sun exposure and orientation play a major role. Doors that receive direct afternoon sun or face south or west will naturally experience more wear than shaded entries. Overhangs, awnings, and storm doors can significantly extend a finish's lifespan. Door material also affects longevity. Solid wood, fiberglass, and steel doors all respond well to refinishing, but each reacts differently to moisture and heat. Proper refinishing accounts for these differences. Finally, basic maintenance makes a difference. Occasional gentle cleaning and prompt attention to minor wear can add years to a refinished door's life. When refinishing is done correctly, with professional prep, materials, and application, it's not a temporary fix. It's a long-term solution that restores beauty and protection without the cost and disruption of full door replacement. And Door Renew can do it for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.